my god! Alright guys, so after months and months of waiting, we finally got the gr86, a Tomei header. Unequaling Tomei header. Finally, bro. Finally we can unlock the Subaru Rumble, the most iconic Subaru Rumble on this car. I do see a lot of people heat wrap their headers, but I don't know. Is this really a use? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Let me know if I should do this. Now I can flex on everyone that I got a Tomei header. The little sticker, a little license plate. Dude, I already have like 4 of these already, just from like random cars and coffees that I went to. That's a bad boy. Oh my god, that's crazy. Sheesh. Bro, I finally got a Tomei. Oh my god. I should have went for the Tomei exhaust, but it was a little too expensive for me. And I just kind of don't like a single exit on a dual exit car because like the other exhaust hole. I don't know if you guys know what I'm saying. So I know this is not the smart way to do this. I know I need to get some jack stands. But guys, I'm broke, so I guess we gotta go the old fashioned way. Please don't give me hate, guys. I know this is dangerous, but come on, a wheel? Alright guys, so I think it's just a couple of 14mm bolts up in here where the head gasket is at. And yeah guys, I'm using a extension 14mm. Big old thing, boy. Look like an SMG.
2,000 years later.
Man, yeah, I'm exhausted, bro. Running into some technical difficulties. Man, I'm a noob at this, bro. Oh my god. So turns out, let me show you guys. So turns out this 14mm socket is way too short. Alright, y'all, just got home. It is kind of getting dark a little bit, but it's also getting a lot cooler. So let's get back to work, yeah? Alright, you guys. Just got the bolts off, dude. These are super tight.
(3:28 a.m.)
Alright, y'all. So finally, I gotta get some reinforcement in. Got my boy Mario right here, man. Shit, bro. This shit was taking a minute, bro. Definitely knew about this. Look at this. It's already dark, bro. When I started, it was literally daytime. There's...
It's alright. You're still learning. I mean, you just gotta keep doing other shit.
You're right.
Trial and error. That's why, like, if you break something like it, you can always just replace it. Don't
Is he? Well, let you know we're still here by the time we get off. Shit is not coming off easily, bro.
Yeah, that's why, bro. We might need to take off this. Look, see this? Might need to go back there and then like unscrew this a little bit. All right, y'all. We just got the O2 sensor. We got the whole headers out right now. For now, we're just taking the O2 sensor out. I know we're supposed to unclip it up here, but then there you go. There we go. The whole header's off now. Dude, let's do a comparison with this shit. Yeah. All right, y'all. New header, old header. That's a big difference, huh? So I got all the heat shield on here too. I don't know if I should heat wrap this. I don't think I need it.
Don't. Because if you do, when you take it off, because it's fucking, what's it called? What's that one material called?
Yeah, I know it hurts. Like, it's like kind of itches you. Yeah. All right, you guys. We are all done. And I just want to show you guys the headers real quick. Dude, this thing is crazy. Yeah, pop the hood, pops. Sheesh, dude. I got the headers. Got the intake. So we're basically half bolt-on, I guess. Yeah, so more stuff are coming to the gr86. But yeah, right now I'm gonna roll it down because it is kind of late. It's like, what time is it? Like 12? It's like 12:30. Yeah, almost 1. I'm gonna roll it down and then roll it down the hill and then I'm gonna cold start it. I'm gonna get my honest reaction over here.
Bro, his shit's so loud, guys. This is not even funny. Every time he downshifts, it's dummy loud for no reason. Oh my god. That is crazy. Yo, he's a neighborhood menace now. Neighborhood menace, guys. This is not even funny. Oh my god. Now we just need to get the car a tune. He just needs to get a tune on that shit, bro. And beautiful. Oh my god! Holy shit. Hey. Fuck no, nigga.